Welcome to the present trade tutorial on how to quickly add cross markings to your drawings using AutoSign software. First, open your CAD software and go to the AutoSign tab. Click on Cross Marking button. This action will open a settings window where you can select the type of cross marking you desire. In this tutorial, we'll use the stop line cross marking as an example. You have the flexibility to adjust parameters and choose the color for your cross marking. After setting your preferences, click OK. Then, simply click on the starting point and the ending point on your drawing where you'd like the cross marking to appear, and the software will automatically draw it for you. If you need to modify a cross marking, click on the Edit button and choose the particular cross marking you want to change. A toolbar will be at the bottom of the screen. Select the aspect you wish to edit from it. This selection will open a window enabling you to make your edits. To remove a cross marking, press the Delete button, then select the cross marking you wish to remove, and it will be deleted. Thanks for watching. Visit our site and follow us on social media for tutorials that boost your skills and to stay informed about the latest software. Connect with Present Trade for more.